Good morning, Twitters. I hope you're having a good day, and as usual, it's always a good day to do it. So, without further ado, let's begin. Well, today is entirely a bad day for me trading. We have lost a really big, huge chunk of our money, and same happened in crude oil itself. So, let's just first see why I have taken this trade and what was the reason of it going against me. So for the beginning, as you could see, I have shorted crude oil at a really good level, but it is actually at the very bottom of crude oil. So let me first tell you the reason why I've shorted here. Reason number one, on 15 minutes time frame, if you have opened a crude oil chart, you could see clearly a pin, inverted pin or hammer pattern forming, which indicate there is a bearish momentum in the market. Reason number two, it has broken a really good trend line which it was respecting for a really long time. So that was a reason for shorting. And reason number three, it was near a support area which could be broken. Now remember this thing, this is a really good support area. The entire CPR is a really good support area, and originally the area is that a height long, and it has taken multiple support during the past many months on that area. So that and yesterday also it has taken a support. So I was expecting today might be the day it will broke out. So on based on all that thing, I have taken this trade. But actually it doesn't go according to our plan. So let's see what happened. Well, before moving on, if you have taken trade in crude oil, definitely smash that like button. Comment down below what was your result. And further, uh, let me explain you why this trade didn't work out exactly what I've planned according to. So there's one major reason why it doesn't work out, because you could see there is a really the CPR was actually a really good support area from which it has multiple times taken a support and has given a really good momentum. So rather than going short here, I should have waited for the low value area low of the CPR to get broken, but I didn't, and that was the main reason which caused this trade to entirely turn around. You could see the trade was going to our favor at a certain extent. So based my logic also was the same thing, that it might touch the value area low and then take support. That's why I didn't plan to make a really huge profit or huge target, but it didn't. It just took support at central pivot point and it moved upside. Reason number two here was the second main reason for my loss in this thing, because in previous trade in Bank Nifty in the morning, I have lost nearly around more than 2% of our capital. So logically, I shouldn't have traded in this thing in the first place. So my psychology in during this trade was to recover the losses rather than to win the trade or to make profit. So the psychology was the main reason I should have exited here. I have seen in US oil chart as well as on crude oil chart, I clearly saw a support area and I should have exited, but the what you could say the time to recover the losses was, or you could say the greed to recover the loss in the morning trade was certainly a bit more than to do what the chart was telling me to do. So that was the two main reasons which uh, why this trade was turned around and got a really huge loss rather than a profit one. I could have ended this trade with a small profit itself, but very small profit, or it's just negligible profit rather than taking a loss. But instead, I got greedy in the sense to recover the losses which I made in the morning, and the market do not respect greedy, it just respect the talent. And as you could see, the market did move up higher and it hit a SL. In the sense, I closed this trade at 12 points, but you could see my stop loss was still at 13 points. So um, you could see the greed. I just want to recover the losses, or not the greed. You could say I just want to recover the main losses which happened in the morning trade. So it's happened sometimes. Market does go through your trading cycle, and this is just a downtrend for us. But this was the major loss. A huge loss is they in Bank Nifty and crude oil because we lost around 4,500 rupees in total. So that is a really huge amount based on our capital. It is more than 2% of our capital. So which is in a single day, which put us a really bad spot. So that's it for today with us. I think I won't trade tomorrow as the losses were too high today. So let's see how does that go. If you're watching this video till the end, don't forget to smash that like button. Comment down below if you have taken such losses. And as usual, share this video to your friends. Subscribe. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you would never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.